Hey, I'm Dr. Amy, and it's time for another Tuesday tip. So, this month in the MTHFR community Genetic Rockstars, which you can find at community.tohealthwiththat.com, we are talking all about detox. It's a huge topic for MTHFR mutants, but also everybody else. And one of the things that everybody wants to know is, why does detox feel so bad? Detox can feel terrible, and it's because of the way detoxification happens. So, the first step in detox, which I'll talk a little bit more about next Tuesday, is phase one detoxification. And this happens due to a bunch of liver enzymes called your cytochrome P450 system. Let me say that again because I think I got it wrong. Cytochrome P450 system. So, these enzymes are variable, right? They're different in different people, and everybody has different levels of activity in these cytochrome systems. These are the enzymes that do the first step of detox. And so they take a toxin and start to convert it. But the problem is, what they convert it to is not actually safe, quote unquote. Very often, what they convert it to is more dangerous than the initial substance. So there was one of the artificial sweeteners that is, sure, safe. Like, it's safe when you consume it, and it's safe when you put it in your mouth. But when it goes through phase one detoxification, it turns into formaldehyde, which is not so safe. So your phase one detox is actually making it into a more toxic compound because it has to. That's the first step to get it to a place where you can actually eliminate it. It's really important to remember that detoxification is not a filter, not in any way. There are filtration steps in your kidneys, but that is not how most toxins are eliminated. Most toxins are eliminated through these chemical processes, and so they have to go through multiple chemical steps. And those intermediary steps are where we really get into trouble. The other problem is, it gets through phase one, but your body doesn't have the resources necessarily to do phase two. And so that stronger, worse toxin is in there floating around, doing damage, creating free radicals. It's mayhem. That is what feels incredibly bad. And so I see people all the time take liver support supplements that make cytochrome P450 work better. But then there's no follow-up support for phase two detox. So you just get all these incredibly bad toxins, free radicals, and you're stuck there. And it feels yucky, like the worst hangover ever. You're grumpy, you're irritable, you've got brain fog. It's not great. So it's really important to go into detoxification kind of with an idea and a plan and knowing what you're doing to support all of that phase two first before you start pushing phase one. This week's Tuesday tip. Yes.